My first principal interview
Hello. Hello,
experience.
sir. Thank you, sir. Hello, ma'am. I'm fine. Honestly, I wanted to upgrade myself. I wanted to grow professionally in a global leading nation like the US. One of my favorite lesson, every topic in science I really love to teach, and there is this one experience of mine wherein I cannot forget, and topic that I was scheduled to teach that time was on chemistry, the testing acid and base, if the substance, the common household substances are acids or base. So I find it so hard because there's no litmus paper. There's no materials. So I was at the library because books are the only resources. No internet connection, no cell phone signal. I don't know, but based on friends that are already there, based on their opinions, they always told us that the students there is different from our student here. As far as they have experience, students here are very respectful, obedient, and of course they respect to the teachers. They even follow the teacher rather than their parents. And then they told us that, "Oh, you want to teach in the US, then it's totally different. The students are totally different. Are you ready for the battle?" Cannot say unless I'm there experiencing such. And of course, if you have to be prepared emotionally for that. But for me, I still consider it as a profession, part of teaching, and part of the mission that I'm going to conquer every obstacle that I might face somehow someday. So I know that there are supports from the school administrators also for every problems that might happen. I think it was already mentioned earlier. How about the working hours? Here we work 8 hours a day for 5 days. How was it there? Same. Yeah, we always sometimes get the work done here. How about the school? Was it the hope? I've been researching the vision, the mission, and the but I cannot find because there's two Hope Academy, the Northeast, and I don't. Ah, mm. I think it's easier for me to build relationship because I'm an extrovert person and I can easily get friends wherever I go. I think there's none. Me too. Thank you for the opportunity. Yeah, you too. Bye.